अगर एक दिन हम 10:15 से लेकर पूरे 4:30 तक लेते हैंगे तो एक तो हर लॉयर को ये रहेगा कि सब मोशन हियरिंग में हमें कहीं नहीं जाना, आई एम रिक्वायर्ड टू डू द फाइनल हियरिंग केसेस. If some benches hearing Malad on Wednesday, some benches are hearing on Thursday, some benches on both the days, and some benches are not hearing. Only motion hearings are going on. So it is also creating a difficult situation for the lawyers also and for the benches also. So one day entirely, right from 10:15 up to 4:30, this can be spared for a hearing party, Malad.
And the order of the cats.
Yes.
Notice has already been issued, Malad.
It is to be heard finally, Malad. Order of the cat is under challenge.
Finally means then, I mean, it's a big issue, I think, which we need to resolve, bar and bench. I mean, if we list every case on admission for final hearing, I am tempted to adopt the same method as being adopted in DB1, though I resist myself that the moment you find some case to be arguable, admit final hearing.
No,
Now,
in
we don't do that because we've not done it
Yes.
here
Yes, ma'am.
in Jabalpur. So, but then the same case comes up again and again, and the Wednesday Thursday list becomes so large, we are unable to touch the final hearing on Wednesday Thursday, and we are only doing with motion. So,
Yes.
what is the solution to this? Please suggest.
some cases sort is, in fact, issue is involved, my lord. Then my lord may hear cases.
The permanent
in
solution is,
admission.
of course, to increase the bench strength,
Yes.
but that will happen whenever it happens.
Yes.
But for the time being, what should we do?
It, my lord, short issue is involved, and the matter may be heard.
The short issue means short issue also takes about half an hour's time.
Yes, Malad.
Yes,
It is-
that's right.
15 minutes, half an hour at
Yes,
least.
At least half an hour.
So we have only 5 hours.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that means only 10 cases will be done.
Yes.
So
yes.
motion list on a Wednesday, Thursday is about 25, 30. How do we go about like this?
Yes, my lord. In fact, it is difficult task for your lordships, my lord.
So that is why I am tempted to follow the same procedure followed in DB1.
And one difficulty is, my lord, that if matter is listed for final hearing in the list of final hearing, then it will be very difficult to get it heard.
Only
It will
see-
not, in fact, come for hearing because, in fact, my lord has rightly said that number of
final
cases are
hearing-
very short.
Final hearing, on final hearing days, final hearing should start at 10:15.
Yes. Then only final
Then only we
cases-
can
Yes, yes, maybe.
do justice to final hearing. Otherwise, we keep. तो ये तो आप लोग बताइए ना क्या सोल्यूशन है इसका, क्योंकि ये जो प्रेजेंट सिस्टम है कुछ वर्केबल नहीं लग रहा है.
Ji. Because in Wednesday and Thursday, my lords are hearing admission cases. The number of final hearing cases will not come. Or one or two cases are heard on the day of final hearing.
बताइए भाई मिस्टर, अरे मिस्टर शर्मा, यू आर सिटिंग देयर, व्हाट डू वी डू?
Putting the case of a final hearing, my lord, every case on final hearing. If there is an interim plea, then it's okay, my lord. But then if there is no interim plea, it is just dumped out. They are not even coming out. So, if, for example, validity of enactments have been challenged on important issues are there. Once they are admitted, my lord, they are not seeing the day of the light of the day, my lord.
Yes.
The other mode can be, my lord, those final disposal matter can be taken up on Wednesday. And all benches may hear, because there is an invariable situation, my lord. Some benches are hearing from 2:15, and if one bench is hearing from 10:15, my lord, that is also a difficult situation. One day entirely for final hearing, my lord, that can be done from 10:15 itself. The entire day for final hearing, right from 10:15. No motion hearing in any of the courts.
So
Then
only for one day in a week.
one day, my lord, full one day, no motion hearing, so that the counsel is not stuck up in the other cases motion hearing, my lord. If all the courts are functioning at 10:15 for final hearing, my lord, probably that may work out. And the time would be much more than in 2 days. If 2 days taken together, my lord, after 2:15, then the time span would be slightly less than an entire day. अगर एक दिन हम 10:15 से लेकर पूरे 4:30 तक लेते हैंगे तो एक तो हर लॉयर को ये रहेगा कि सब मोशन हियरिंग में हमें कहीं नहीं जाना, आई एम रिक्वायर्ड टू डू द फाइनल हियरिंग केसेस. If some benches hearing, my lord, on Wednesday, some benches are hearing on Thursday, some benches on both the days, and some benches are not hearing, only motion hearings are going on. So it is also creating a difficult situation for the lawyers also and for the benches also. So 1 day entirely, right from 10:15 up to 4:30, this can be spared for a hearing party, my lord.
So
This-
that we'll consider that
And
option.
probably the time span would be much more, my lord. 2 days taking from 2:15 to 4:30, that is lesser than a single day from 10:15 to 4:30.
Hmm.
And none of the lawyers can say, we are stuck up in the motion hearing.
Hmm. Which day, according to you, will be the best day for final hearing?
Thursday
Right from morning to evening.
Thursday can be a good day, my lord.
Thursday, or why
Thurs-
not? Why not any other day?
My lord, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that can be motion day, because Friday again there are special benches. From 2:15, my lord, it's just a musical chair. From one bench to other, even the judges and the lawyers, my lord, they are running from here to there. Either of the days, my lord, Wednesday or Thursday, whatever is convenient.
Oh, what the hell that we can do. All right, we'll think about it. Thank you for the suggestion.
But
Such matters, my lords are fixing that they can be dealt with in motion. The second half on Wednesday, such matters will be fixed.
Second half of
Wednesday.
which matters?
Final hearing motions. Too.
No, why should we not give up this concept of final hearing in motion?
Because, sir, even if we take the entire day system, the kind of pendency we have, none of these matters will be relevant for arguing, my lord, after 20 years, whatever is their.
That is true. That is true.
So that is in effect, my lord, the moment my lord says that it's admitted and it will go into it's
No,
it's
we may
invalid.
not admit it. We'll continue with the same system and leaving it to the judge concerned that if he feels that it can be decided and heard and finally decided in admission, he can do it.
But if normally what my lords are doing and other courts are also doing, even for such matters, they come out Wednesday, Thursday. And that's what was my lords was complaining ki because of these matters, the regular old hearing matters can't be taken up. So let Thursday be for the old matters. Let a part of Wednesday be for such matters which can be dealt with at motion and decided.
Yes, that can be done.
All right,
That
we'll consider.
2.5 days, Monday, Tuesday, and half of Wednesday for the regular motion matters, only regular.